So previously we have seen that number reverse pattern. The interview might ask you, they need that this kind of output. So what we are going to do is, like you can see, the output will be like 1 2 3 4 5 lines. So then only we need to declare a variable n 5. Okay, I'm going to use the for loop as usual. In for I in, I can use only the range function. So only I'm going to use the start position will be 1 comma n plus 1 colon print of I. You can see the output, it will be displaying 1 to 5. So we need that these kind of lines, right? Going to use that star. How can I able to multiply? If I give straightly I, you can see, observe the output, it will be giving this only. But I don't need this kind of output, I need only this kind of output, right? So what I'm going to do is, like, simply I'm going to convert this I as a string. Okay, now I'm going to execute. You can see this output will be same as this, but you can observe there might be a space right between those lines. So what we're going to do is, like, I'm going to use that plus empty string. Okay, it's a empty string. I'm going to use the bracket and I'm going to run it. You can see same exact output we got it. This is the way you can able to execute